Hi! In this video, we're going to see how to connect a 2-chat virtual number with an ElevenLabs agent. To do this, we'll go into TouchChat and enter the channels, and within the channels, we're going to select the virtual number. In this case, we're going to work with this number, which is a number that you should have previously activated within 2chat. So we click here, and within this information, we go to Inbound Call Handling, and here we'll have the configuration. By clicking here, we have the trigger node where it shows that the start event was fired, and using this button, we're going to add. Under Integration is the ElevenLabs node. When adding this node, here we have the configuration. The first thing we do is enter the virtual phone number we want to link it to, which is the same one we have configured here. And we leave this SIP TCP selected and click Save. Now we go to our ElevenLabs account, and in the phone number section, we're going to click Import Phone Number. Import phone number. We set it as SIP trunk. Here we give it a name, which will be 2chat business, and we enter the phone number in international format, which in this case is this one, without spaces or hyphens, and we leave all this configuration as it is. These options here are advanced options that will even allow us to configure our agent to only answer when it receives calls from certain numbers. In this case, we don't set this so that all calls are received, and we click Import. In this case, since we already have the number added, we have it configured here. This is our number. By clicking on the number after it's created, here we have to select the agent. In another video, we'll see how to create an agent. Basically, it's in the Agent section, and this is where we can link the agent to the phone number. We go here to the phone and select the agent who will answer the call. And with that, we'll have your 2chat virtual number connected to ElevenLabs, and this agent will handle our calls.